What does PMF look like without a product? Like, what does that mean? Can you unpack that a little bit for us?
So it's one of my, actually the first decade at Microsoft, I've been worked with super smart people, and like especially around Microsoft as a company actually cares hugely about developer experience. I don't know if people have seen, there's an old video, if you search for Steve Ballmer, like he was on a stage and then just probably 5 minutes just doing this rant of developer. So Microsoft as a company is like hugely, like they have done tons and tons of investments around building the developer community, and then people building that community to build all sorts of applications on top of Windows platform. One of the things that I've learned is a lot of innovation that happens at Microsoft is sometimes they are very disconnected with, they're trying to come up with experiences on their own without building this feedback loop with the actual developers. So when I say product market fit, one of the interesting things how both me and Max operates is we have evolved this platform by solving real developer problems. Each and every feature in our platform, actually, I can tie it to a real life outage that I have seen in my past lives in those places. So when I say product market fit is essentially, especially for a startup during the early stages, creating this, what's the value proposition of what you are building, why someone should be, what are the key differentiators, who are your like competitors, and how do you differentiate your platform against those competitors? So that is overall, that's what I describe as a product market fit. And temporal, because of this decade of iteration of working with real developers, solving their real problems. I think one of the things which was amazing when we started the company is we already have this product which people find it useful for their day-to-day life.